How exactly is it bullish for Ripple? Did Binance get sued by the CFTC? Can XRP reach a price of $10 per coin? And can it reach a price of $100 per coin? If yes, how high can it go? We're gonna explore all the options today, see exactly what XRP is all about, take a little bit of a deeper dive in this very bullish video for all of crypto. Because the SEC is suing XRP, and that has been ongoing for a while now. If XRP wins, it's going to be great for all of crypto, not just for XRP, but it will be especially good for XRP. Because whenever there's news that there's potential of XRP winning, the price surges, and that is exactly what is happening the past couple of days. Now, among other things, Ripple also will introduce offline transactions. So why exactly is that bullish? Do you think transactions will happen somewhere where there's no internet? Well, it's not just about that. That's a big part, but it's not just about that. Think of vending machines, think of train tickets, anything that is not connected to the internet 24/7. So very bullish. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is the Inspector. You're about to be mind blown. And let's get this show on the road. Oh, and also, did you click it? Did you click it? It's only half a second to click the like button. And it means so much to me and to the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, let's get this show on the road. Check this out first of all, ladies and gentlemen. These are all the transactions happening on Ripple every single second. We did the same with Cardano, but look at this. Literally every 0.1 seconds there is a transaction. That is because Ripple has among the lowest fees in all of cryptocurrency. But looking at this, absolutely ridiculous. The amount of transactions coming in every millisecond, and that is from all over the world. It is currently morning as I'm recording, and of course, crypto never sleeps. Blockchain never sleeps. There's a couple networks that do shut down, talking about Solana, but other than that, mostly works 24/7. First of all, let's look at the charts. What do the charts say where our next resistance is? XRP currently in an insane price surge. And if you look at it from this low here, it surged in price 52%. And then if we look at the bottom of this market where Bitcoin was 15.5K, from there up until the price now, 86% Ripple has surged among rumors that they will win the SEC case. Now, I will explain more as to why exactly Binance getting sued means that Ripple might win their case. I will explain that in just a second, but first let's take a look at some of the price targets before we go up to $10 and then $100 and kind of explore those options. So currently we're sitting here. The next big resistance after Ripple breaks through this resistance should be around this area at $0.78. That is the next big resistance, and after that we have another big one at 1.4, and after that it should be all-time high after all-time high. Now all of that is very far away, ladies and gentlemen. This can play out in many different ways. We could see Ripple just bouncing here and going all the way back down. It's one of the options that can happen. It really depends on a lot of factors. This is the daily chart after all, and moves like this take a long time to complete. Now, if Ripple wins the case soon, and so then Ripple wouldn't be a security but a commodity, this could happen, no problem. It just blasting through all-time highs. Like, scenarios like this can happen in crypto. You just gotta look at the fundamentals and also look at the technicals. Everything is important if you want to trade price action. And if you want to trade on Bybit, use my link in the description down below to trade on Bybit. You will get deposit bonuses from $100 up to $30,000 depending on how much you deposit. And also you're entering a raffle to win $1,500 or an iPhone 14 Pro. It's an exclusive giveaway that Bybit are doing with the Inspector. But with that being said, feel free to use my link in the description. And these are kind of the price actions, the price levels that we are looking at for Ripple right here in case we do want to trade. And I definitely will. I'm not holding any Ripple on spot right now, which is a big mistake considering how crazy it is surging in price right now. But of course, after such a high price surge, it is not smart to invest. So I didn't buy now. Of course, I'm not gonna buy after a 60-70% price increase. Makes absolutely no sense, but I will be on the lookout for trading Ripple. Other than that, no internet needed for XRPL transfers. So currently the team created a viable prototype of the system that allows users to initiate XRP transfers offline. So this can be utilized by a variety of devices that are not connected to the internet 24/7. For instance, it is compatible with vending machines and public transport, so this could be a huge win for Ripple as well. Now, of course, the price surge is basically just on speculation. Ripple, as a company, doesn't earn almost anything from the fees. The fees are so low, they earn very, very little. They do have some different ways of earning themselves, but that doesn't change the fact that the price of their stock of XRP can surge among speculation, because that's what happens not just in crypto, but in stocks as well, in commodities as well as in securities. Now, Binance got sued by the CFTC, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission. Ripple is being sued by the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission. So securities include stocks and bonds, and commodities include metals such as gold, silver, copper, but then also grains and also oil. All of those are commodities. Now, there has been mention that Ethereum and Bitcoin are commodities, and Binance being sued by the CFTC is bullish for the Ripple court case. So a part of the bullish outlook came as some in the community said that the classification of major tokens as commodities in the CFTC filing against Binance could mean that XRP tokens were two commodities instead of a security, as in the SEC versus Ripple case. So that means that Ripple could potentially win their case just based on this. So no part of XRP's value came from anyone's legal obligations toward XRP holders. XRP is a raw good that trades in commerce, and one XRP is treated as the equivalent of any other XRP. And that pretty much is the definition of a commodity. Now, that is the fundamental reason why XRP was surging in price when the news about Binance came out. Of course, we had the initial drop, as did every single coin on the market. As Bitcoin, the big daddy, falls down, it brings everything with it. But XRP had the biggest surge overall, and it is not just about these news. It is also whales in the community thinking that XRP will win this case. There's more and more evidence that this will happen. So hopefully, and fingers crossed, that XRP will win this, because that'll be a win for the whole crypto community, not just for XRP. That would mean that a lot of major tokens are not securities, but commodities, which is a win. Now to the major question: can XRP reach $100, and can XRP reach $10, first of all? The short answer is yes. XRP can absolutely reach 10, and XRP can absolutely reach 100. In fact, any coin can reach any number you want. You just see how many coins there are, and then you will know how much money it'll take in order for that amount of coins to be a certain price. Now, that's just from a mathematical perspective, or if you will, that's just in theory. In reality, that much money, not likely to happen very soon. Now, how much money are we talking about, and how soon are we talking about? So first of all, there are roughly 48 billion XRP tokens in the circulating supply. There will be 99 billion tokens in total at some point. We don't know exactly when. In order for XRP to reach $10 at the current number of tokens, so we will talk about the current number of tokens being around 44 billion. XRP would need a market cap of around 440 billion in order to reach the price of $10 per coin. Now, in order to reach $100 per coin, XRP would need a market cap of $4.4 trillion. Now, to put that into perspective, this is the total crypto market cap right here. So at the peak of the bull market, every single cryptocurrency combined had a market cap of $2.9 trillion, which is less than what it takes for Ripple to reach 100. Now, that was the last bull market. What's gonna happen in the next bull market? Who knows? Only one thing is for certain, and that is that it's gonna be much higher than it was last time. That is how bull markets work. Now, in order for Ripple to hit $100, a lot of things need to align correctly. A lot of things need to happen in a perfect way in order for Ripple or any other coin to reach such a high market cap, of course. Now, first of all, Bitcoin would need to be a lot higher. All of crypto would need to be a lot higher. And then also, the question remains, if that happens around 2030 to 2040, that's a very long time in the future, ladies and gentlemen, but it's totally possible. We need to look at a future where crypto is slowly changing in a way that is replacing fiat. So the masses, the mainstream, have started adopting crypto payments for everything. In such a world, in 10 to 20 years down the road, things like this could definitely happen. Ripple by then could be $100. Of course, that's only speculation, but then again, what will $100 mean in 10 to 20 years time? It will be devalued by a lot. The dollar, they keep printing the dollar. They printed 13 trillion new dollars just since the 2020 craze that happened. And I don't even want to mention the name of the craze in order not to get demonetized, but you know what I'm talking about. So since then, 13 trillion new dollars have been minted, devaluing the rest of the dollars on the market. Look at it this way. We have 44 billion Ripple, right? And at the current market cap, the price is what? The price is 5 cents right now. If they just printed 44 billion more of coins, that $5 would go to around 2.5 cents. Now, with inflation, it doesn't work like that. They say a dollar is always a dollar. And while that is true, it is losing its purchasing power. That doesn't happen in crypto. We can see it clearly in the numbers. Imagine if we can see the dollar in the numbers with its purchasing power, right? So $100 100 years ago would be what $5 to $10 are now. That's how much it would have plummeted. But since inflation doesn't work like that and it's kind of masking that toward the masses, they don't see it. They don't see the devaluation. They don't see how big of a problem the printing has created. This is where blockchain comes in. This is where crypto comes in. And this is where all of the coins, all of the good projects will save the day. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Inspector's out.